2025 Maintenance and Ops Summit. We've outgrown 2 venues, so this is our 3rd venue in the history of the summit. We're at Foxwoods Resort in beautiful Connecticut, and I think we'll stay here a while. There's plenty of room, and it'll be a good problem to have if we outgrow a place of this magnitude.
I really didn't know what to expect. This is the first time I've ever had to, been through something like this, my first conference type thing.
We've had to double the size of our breakout room, and I was in there just a few minutes ago, and it's at capacity. There was not a seat.
I'm ecstatic. I was so surprised walking in and just being like, wow, this is nothing that I expected.
Our major goal of the summit is to bring the folks together for networking, to get to know each other. In the past year, we've added over 1,000 new employees, and probably 100 of those, or 10%, are direct operational employees, maintenance employees who are here today. So the expectation for the attendees is to take this knowledge and take this experience back and share it with their teams.
I think it's good for all of our team members just to kind of get their head out of the daily fog.
Listening to all the other office managers challenge and what the other divisions are going through and how they've conquered things that we're about to go through is incredibly valuable.
The experience about these operations summits is to bring everybody together from different markets to see what they're doing versus what I'm doing at my division.
Any chance we get to pull these teams together, even if it's just for a day or two, the benefit, the value that comes out of that is just unmeasurable.
Mickey Rowe as our keynote speaker was just mind-blowing. If you think about the adversity he's been through and all that he's achieved, it was just inspiring.
With the keynote speaker, I think it was great that he brought in the different diversities of what people don't see. Anybody can accomplish anything with the right people and tools around them. And that did show that.
So we're bringing Odyssey teams back, and as per usual, none of the attendees know what is about to happen. They're all going to be given a very small 4x4 tile with an index card with a picture, and they're going to paint that tile from what they see in the picture, and then we're going to put 225 of those together and form one image. And as it starts to take shape, that'll be the aha moment for the group.
The paints came out. We painted the tiles that we were assigned. Then when everything went together, it became the mosaic that's behind me. And what it came out to exceeded all of my expectations.
Yeah, so the symbolism of the mosaic, there are no small roles in this company or in life for that matter. So you may only paint a 4-inch by 4-inch tile, but your tile is necessary to make the broader image come to life. So this past December, we lost a dear friend and a very valued employee, our Vice President of Fleet, Mike Wilson, who played a big role in the growth of this conference.
Mike Wilson was a friend of ours and somebody that really helped us, build our relationship with Casella. And so really we felt it appropriate to honor Mike with this sponsorship and really for the employees of Casella, a little bit of fun at the same time.
One of his favorite pastimes was go-kart racing. And we would come to this venue at Foxwoods Resort to go-kart race. And I don't think he ever lost. So we're going to celebrate with the first annual Casella Grand Prix. And the winner there's over 100 participants, the winner will receive the Mike Wilson Cup.
He was a genuinely kind person, but he worked really hard. He really wanted to see the team grow. He wanted to get the maintenance software in place. He wanted to make sure that we had the best trucks available to our folks in the field.
And this will continue to show how much he was dedicated to the development of people. And we're very proud, again, to dedicate this to him.
The planning for the summit begins about 10 months prior, and it's a multi-discipline group. Various levels of the company that everybody's voice is heard, and it takes a village to get it done, actually.